Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So here I'm seasoning my chicken with ginger and garlic paste and a little bit of seasoning cube, 2 seasoning cubes. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all the procedure. This is time, all the measurement, exact measurement and quantity of everything I used. So after the chicken has boiled, I put my oil in a pot and I'm going ahead to fry the chicken until it's golden brown. I'll take it off the heat. So that oil I used to fry the chicken, I'm going to pour it into my cooking pot. You can see the quantity. And I'm cooking 7 cups of rice. So I'm going to add my onions now, just to increase the flavor. And I'll stir that around for a minute before I go ahead to add my pepper mix, tomato mix. So I added a little bit extra oil to get the tomato base to be well fried. So you'll be checking it at interval, and when it's well fried, you know by the look of the face, and you see that the oil is separating from the whole thing, then you know it's ready. So I went ahead and added onions. I grated the onions at this stage so that they will fry together. At this stage it's well fried now, and I'm going to pour in my chicken stock and extra water, just enough to cook the rice. So this is a quantity of seasoning cubes I'm using. I'm using a little bit of star maggi and no, because no doesn't have as much salt as the maggi star, so I mix the two of them together. I also added bay leaves and curry powder and thyme, and you let it boil. And when it has boiled a bit, immediately it starts boiling, you add in your parboiled rice. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like, share and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye.